Hello students, good morning. Namaskar, how are you my dears? Class 8th. Your topic is on progress and the topic is correct form of the verb. Correct form of the verb. And today we will discuss about past perfect tense. Your tense is past perfect. Dear students, here we will discuss about past perfect tense. What are the adverbs of time used in past perfect tense? Okay. Number 1, in past perfect tense, we use the helping verb had. Only single helping verb means had is always used in this tense and with all the subjects, singular noun, plural noun, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. With all the subject, we use the helping verb had. Number 2, the third form of the main verb is used with the helping verb had. So, here we will discuss about adverb of time. About adverb of time. By plus previous year. By plus previous year. My dear students, थोड़ा हिंदी में बात कर लेता हूं. बाय के साथ में कोई पिछला वर्ष दिया हुआ है, कोई पिछला सन दिया हुआ है, 2020 से पहले का, बाय 2015, बाय 2010 इस प्रकार से दिया हुआ है, तो यहां किसका प्रयोग करते हैं? पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का. दूसरा, यदि भविष्य का कोई काल दिया हुआ है, अभी 2020, 2025, 2021, 2027, 2030 ऐसे दिया हुआ और बाय दिया हुआ है, तो वह हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का प्रयोग करते हैं, विल हैव, शैल हैव प्लस एम बी थर्ड. लेकिन यदि बाय दिया हुआ है और कोई पिछला सन या पिछला वर्ष दिया हुआ, पिछला महीना दिया हुआ है, तो there we use only and only past perfect tense, means had plus the third form of the main verb. Okay dear students, by plus previous year. And here by plus previous year, here you will get two clauses and the clause will be connected with after, will be connected with after or before. Dear students, before or after is given and you will get two clauses. In the first clause, before is given here, before is given here. In the first clause we use had plus MB third, means past perfect tense. And in the second clause, before is given here, you will use MB second or did plus MB first. In affirmative sentence, we use MB second. And in interrogative or negative sentence, we use did plus MB first, means past indefinite tense. Okay dear students, if the clause connected with after, before after, we use MB second or did first, means present indefinite, past indefinite tense. past indefinite tense, and after is given here in the second clause. You will use had plus MB third, means past perfect tense. Okay, dear students, this is your structure of past perfect tense in correct form of the verb. Okay, had plus MB third means past perfect tense, MB second or did first means past indefinite tense if before is given. If after is given or the two clauses connected with after, then we will use MB second or did first in the first clause, and in the second clause we use had plus the third form of the main verb. Okay, examples are the patient die before the doctor reached. This is your sentence. Dear students, two clauses given here and connected with before. Before, this is your first clause and this is your second clause. In second clause, the second form of the main verb is given before, and the second form of the main verb before, and the second form of the main verb is given here. Dear students, in the first clause, before is given. In the first clause, you will use had plus the third form of the main verb. So, you will use here had, and the third form of die is died. Third form of die is died. Second sentence, the bell rang after I reach the school. After I reach school. We never use the article determiners before school, market, hospital, temple, church, mosque. If we are going, or these things are used only for the purpose. School's purpose is to get knowledge, get education. If we are going to get education, if you are going to school and we want to get education, then we will not apply the before school. Market is the place where we purchase and sell things. If we are going to market to purchase something or sell something, that we will not use the article. Hospitals are for the purpose of treatment. If we are going for our treatment to hospital, then we will not use the article before hospital. But if we are going to hospital to meet the doctor, to meet personally the doctor, then we will use the before hospital also. Okay, dear students, we will discuss about the topic in article or determiners later. After is given here, and before after bell, second form of the main verb is given. After, here the second form of the main verb means past indefinite tense is given here, ring, R-A-N-G. First form is ring, R-I-N-G. Second form is ring, R-A-N-G. And third form is rung, R-U-N-G. Ring is given here, after is given here also. In the first clause, second form of the main verb is given. In the second clause, you will use had plus third form of the main verb. So, I had reached. I told you before a while that we never use to preposition after reach. We never use in or into preposition after enter. Okay? Next sentence is I record 10 albums by 2010. Dear students, now is 2020. 2010 is previous year and we are getting by preposition before the previous year. If you find by preposition before previous year, then use had plus third form of the main verb. In this sentence, you get only one clause. Two clauses are not given here. Two clauses are not given. You will write, I had recorded 10 albums by 2010. If there would be by 2025, then you will use will have recorded. Means if there is future year and before by preposition is given, then you will use future perfect tense. But in previous year and applying by preposition, you will use only and only past perfect tense, means had plus the third form of the main verb. Okay, dear students, you have to copy the sentences. She killed the terrorist. Before the police came there. This is your next sentence, dear students. Two clauses are given in this sentence. One clause is before. Before preposition is given here. One clause is given here, before, and the second clause here is given. And in the second clause, you get second form of the main verb, mean past indefinite tense. So, you will use here the had and thus third form of the main verb. Before is given, MB second here is given, then use had plus third form of the main verb. She had killed the terrorist before the police came there. Okay, dear students, copy the sentences or take the screenshots. Okay, dear students, this is your class and here your class is finished, and in next class we will discuss next tense in the topic correct form of the verb. I hope your bright future. Okay, dear students, thank you very much.